How to install Netflix on Samsung Smart TV. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Make sure your Samsung Smart TV is connected to Wi-Fi or via Ethernet cable before starting. Step 2. Open Smart Hub. Press the home button on your remote to open the main screen. Step 3. Go to Apps. Use the arrow keys on your remote to navigate to the Apps section and select it. Step 4. Search for Netflix. Select the search icon. Type Netflix using the on-screen keyboard and press Enter. Step 5. Install the app. From the search results, select the Netflix app and press Install to download it. Note, on most newer Samsung TVs, Netflix comes pre-installed. You'll find it directly on the home screen without needing to download it. Step 6. Sign in and start watching. Open Netflix from your home screen, log in with your email and password, and enjoy streaming. Compatibility note. These steps work on Samsung Smart TVs from 2016 onwards. Older models may not support the Netflix app. In that case, connect an external device like Chromecast, Roku, or Fire Stick to stream Netflix.